Good afternoon to all of you. How many of you are familiar with our company, Esri India? One hand only. How many of you know GIS? Not many, okay. So I'll give a 1-minute quick introduction. We're talking about location intelligence here. Location intelligence is a technology which helps us in understanding where and who is buying. When you are selling something, to whom you are selling and where it is being sold. So when we talk about where is a location, right? Where is the store? Where is my customer? Where is he taking what he's buying? Where does he live? Where does he work? Where does his spouse work? So all these information about where is really important when you look at your retail business, whether you want to set up a store, what kind of merchandise you're going to have in that. So, and whom is the people who are actually buying, and where and whom are two important factors in planning for retail business. And that's precisely what we do. Esri is a global company headquartered in California. Esri India is headquartered in Noida. We have 2 offices in Mumbai and in all major cities. We have been in business for quite some time. Started in 1996. We have about 6,500 enterprise customers in the country, and more than 1 million people use some app running with our software, on our software every single day. So technology is GIS. Geographical Information System is the generic name. It deals with location data, latitude, longitude, the basic things that we studied when we were in our early childhood geography class. Because when we talk about location, that is how you identify the location with latitude and longitude. Like any other information system, GIS, which is a geographical information system, it has 2 parts. One is the technology, other is the data, and of course, then you have applications and APIs and all those things also. So it's a science of where, which brings all the location data together at one platform, and we enable analytics on that data, on that content. So that is what we do. In very simple language, all of us every single day use a simple personal GIS. When I want to go somewhere, I open a map on my phone and I want to find out that, okay, where I am going, how much time it's going to take, what is the best route. When you want to order food and food is not coming quick enough, you open that app and you see a map and you try to find out where the delivery man is, and that apps tell you. So when we are doing this thing every day in our life and we feel good about it, we feel that we have become more efficient, then nothing should prevent the same thing from being used in a business. In a business, we have same situations, where I am, where my customers are, how things are coming, logistical challenges, distribution challenges. So this location technology makes our life simpler. We are a technology company, and ArcGIS is our brand. This is a slide which basically talks about that there are different layers of data. Like in your mobile phone, when you look at a location app, you have a base map, you have roads, you have names of the roads, you have points of interest, where is the bank, where is the ATM, where is this convention center. So all those layers are there, and there is the ability in this app to help you find out how you're going to go. So this is your personal GIS system. And in an organization, every single department in any business organization has data which has a location component. Where my customers are, where my suppliers are, where my stock points are, where my wholesalers are, where my employees live, where my customers live. So the entire thing, everything has a location. So we try to bring all the data together on a platform. We help you, and so that you can use that data for better decisions. It is available as software which you can run in your computers. It's available as software as a service and a platform as a service. So basically what it happens is you have your business data, and what you have in your organization about from your loyalty programs or billing data, your data which is sitting in an ERP system. So that data is most valuable because that is authentic data based on your product and your customers. So you bring that data, you use that geographical data which is available from us and third-party sources, and then you create your analytics on our platform, and it gives you certain actionable insights that in this particular store, if I change, what changes I can make in terms of merchandise. If I have to open 20 new stores, where these should be. So those kind of decisions. If I'm doing a territory planning, how do I plan the territory? How do I look at entire state of Maharashtra and divide it into 4 parts, either based on population or based on buying patterns, look at what age group of people live there, what are their buying habits. So all that data can come to, when it comes together, you can understand patterns and actionable insights from there, which help you make better decisions. One of the products we have is ArcGIS Business Analyst. We have several products which are ArcGIS branded, but this particular product exactly does what I just spoke about. It brings all the data together, suitability and site selection, territory designing, market information, market intelligence, and it also has a lot of capabilities for report creation I will show in a moment. So though we are a technology company, we bring a lot of content as a part of this platform. We have physical boundaries, administrative boundaries of the country, states, cities, ward level boundaries. We also have various other parameters like PIN codes and different layers of data which have been created from the data which is published by various government organizations. These could be education level, health facilities, where are the real estate development plans. So all that data comes together in one platform, and which is backed with a lot of analytical capabilities. So if you look at this one, there are some data sets like automotive dealers, commercial banks, buildings, similarly malls, upcoming malls, where are the theaters, where are parking stations, petrol stations, and all these maps are available. All these data sets come as a part of our platform, and there are a lot of pre-built workflows to run the analytics within this platform. We also have demographic data, age-wise consumption patterns, what kind of households in which area, marital status, education. So a number of parameters are available. Excuse me. And this demographic data is continuously being enhanced. See, data, unless we update it very frequently, it doesn't remain very useful. On one side, if you are looking at boundaries of districts and villages and towns, they don't change so frequently. But buying patterns, the age-related things, that data has to be continuously updated, and it is done. There are multiple ways of doing it. One is we look at the census information. Last census in India was done in 2011. There should be one done pretty soon. We all read in the newspaper, some government has talked about new census. So from 2011, we have extrapolated the data based on the formulas which are made available by government, and we project the population up to 2036. And when we project the population, along with that, we also, all the other parameters which go along that population, that in a particular area, male, female population, education level, all those things also get updated. So that's one source. We also work with commercial data providers who collect data from in different ways, footfall, how the spending pattern, how the stores are performing, how the correlation between the age and consumption patterns is changing. So all that data we try to bring together in this platform. But let me remind you, there is no end to data. You will, whatever data we have, you will always say that, okay, I need that data also. So that is why I said in the beginning, the data that you have within your organization is the most important data for you, because analytics on that data can give you so much insight that third-party data will not be able to give that. So just few examples of maps. So we are a mapping company. There are a lot of good tools available in this software for creating maps. different color-coded maps. They look beautiful. Darker the color, some parameters higher. You can do a lot of search on the maps. You can do planning, distance, travel time, cost of transportation. So all those things can be done easily. Gain location-based market intelligence in terms of using the demographic data and your own experience. Where should the site be? What is the potential of that area? Compare different sites. Look at the driving time. Like if you look at the map in the middle, there are different colors within that zone around a particular business outlet, which indicates that in 5 minutes time up to what point you can deliver, in 10 minutes time where all you can deliver, in 20 minutes time where all you can deliver. Now this kind of information, in the times when we are looking at quick commerce, companies are promising delivery in 10 minutes. I think this is really valuable. And this can take care of the traffic also. Sometimes in residential area, that problem is not much, but traffic also is available in the platform, and taking care of the traffic, it can still give you the delivery time. So there are a number of reports and infographics for presenting to management, getting into a huddle with your colleagues, making some decisions with the data available. So this is also available here. ArcGIS is the technology, it's the name of a brand. It continuously evolves. The company started in 1969 when computers were primitive, networks were not really there. Digital mapping was just born at that time, and today we are in a life where we carry maps on a mobile device, and we use them many times every day. So these kind of technologies are evolving, and we follow open standards to make the life easier. It's an open technology. It's not open source. It's a commercial product, but it's open. It can integrate with various other systems. If you are running a SAP or you're running a Oracle, you have Salesforce, or you have any other commercial business application, it's possible to bring that data inside our platform and sometimes export the data back to another business system. Salesforce integration is very, very common. And there are a lot of integrations with Microsoft also. I'll just talk about it in a minute. Geo AI, that's our effort to bring geographical analytics along with AI together. So today, availability of imagery is far better. Imagery comes from drones or satellites or other kind of surveys. So object detection based on that, you have any automobile company will have stockyard for their vehicles, or somebody is installing a solar farm and you want to count that how many are there. Very simple application, fly a drone, get the imagery, use an AI model to count how many are there. And there are a lot of other image classification kind of applications which are possible. Many of you, I'm sure, are using Microsoft. So we work very closely with Microsoft. There's very powerful integration between some of the popular Microsoft applications like Excel and Power BI, Microsoft Teams and SharePoint. So very easy exchange of data between these systems. In Excel, if you have data, you can just pick up that Excel, drag and drop on an ArcGIS system, and all that data will automatically come on the map so long as it has a location information. If you have address database which has pin codes, so all that data will automatically come based on pin codes on a map. No effort required. So this is some of the global collaborations we have, and we are able to serve customers. Like, there are a few examples here, global examples: Cisco, Starbucks Coffee, Chick-fil-A, Walmart. These are the type of customers. We have good customer base in India. We started, initial business was with government accounts. There was a lot of lack of clarity about what geospatial data can be acquired, processed, stored by anyone. In 2022, government came out with a new policy, and after that, getting geospatial data for private organizations has become very easy. That's when this business has started picking up. But we have consumer companies, we have Large telecommunication companies, Jio and Airtel, are big customers of ours. Thousands of people use apps running on our platform every single day. So these are the kind of client base. We have a booth 24A in the exhibition area. If you have time, please visit there and take a look at this technology. And otherwise, you can call us, or we have an email ID, and we have a local website. Thank you.